To check the quality of the grind, use the following 4 methods: by sight, by touch, by smell, by flavour. To check the quality of the grind using your eyes, look at the grind to see the size of the granules. Perform test extractions and monitor the pour to see if it has an even, well-timed flow. A good coffee pour should look like syrup or honey coming out. To check the coffee grind by touch, feel or rub the grind between your fingers prior to dosing into the grip handle. If it is powdery, it might be too fine. Pick up the used coffee biscuit. If it falls apart, the grind might be too coarse, so the water has passed through too quickly. Alternatively, it might be too fine and the water has caused the coffee biscuit to become soggy. To test the quality of the grind by smell, test the aromas of the coffee after extraction. If the coffee is not strong enough, the extraction might have been too fast and the grind too coarse. If it smells bitter and burnt, the grind might have been too fine, causing over-extraction. Using flavour to check the quality of the grind is easy. Simply taste the coffee after it has been extracted and before the milk is added. When adjusting the grind, ensure the dosing chamber is empty. Do not allow the old grind to mix with new grind. This makes it difficult to determine whether the grind was correctly adjusted. Make several small adjustments and only grind enough coffee to make 1 coffee. Environmental and equipment factors can also affect the dosage and extraction of coffee. For example, humidity plays a dramatic role in extraction time. As coffee absorbs moisture from the air, the density of the grind will affect the degree to which the coffee absorbs moisture, which can affect the puck and increase the extraction time. It might be necessary to change the grind setting slightly throughout the day to compensate for changes in humidity. Temperature will not cause problems to the same degree as humidity, but it is important to avoid exposing the coffee to high temperatures until brewing. If the coffee is bitter and not creamy, it might mean that the coffee beans are not fresh or the grind is too fine. It may also mean that the group heads need to be cleaned or even that the machine was not properly preheated. If the espresso flows too quickly, there may not be enough coffee in the filter basket, or the coffee was ground too coarsely, or the coffee grounds are not properly tamped.